So previously, my high school friend DM'd me out of nowhere telling me to join a game jam with her. I accepted and make a game for Halloween and Christmas. Here's a video on that. Today we'll talk about the third jam I joined, which, like they say, third time's the charm. And it was indeed a charm. Manku the Magician, that's the name of the game that we ended up making. We play as a Bochi-inspired character, Manku, as she tried to grab the rabbit from her magical hat to livestream and gain views. You grab the rabbit, people will pog. You grab the carrot, they spam L and other comments. The game was submitted for Ludum Dare 55 Game Jam, where the requirements is to make a game within 3 days, and the theme is summoning. The team I joined have 8 members, including me. This is the biggest team I joined in so far. I know the previous jam game designer, my high school art friend, but I haven't talked to the rest much before. By default, I was initially intimidated, but the first thing they said after hearing the theme is Naruto memes. So, you know, I shared Naruto German opening and our friends. You know. Day 1. The game designer, Porshore, made a Figma file and put in the schedule and rough plans down. We even have a section for artist tasks, which everyone forget about, so I'll update here on what role each member did. Everyone else then put a bunch of sticky notes of random ideas they had, things like summon a devil to form an emo band, player doodle different body parts and they'll fusion together to form a playable character, you know, summon your will to live. Eventually, this is how we landed on an idea. I'll show you the recording of when we were planning down the idea. If you want to skip this segment, you can do so in the timestamp on screen.
อันเคยเห็นคลิปไปที่แบบ
กล่องใบนี้คุณครูเรียกว่ากล่องปริศนาค่ะเดี๋ยวเรามาดูกันดีกว่านะคะว่ากล่องใบนี้จะมีอะไรบ้างตัวแรกค่ะเป็นเลขอะไรคะ1นะคะถัดมาเป็น2นะคะนักเรียนสามารถเดาได้ไหมคะว่าตัวถัดไปจะเป็นอะไรเป็นมังคุดค่ะ
นี่ไงซัมมอนของมาจากกล่อง
ใบนี้คุณ
อันนี้นึกเก่าๆเดี๋ยวอีนักมายากลใช่ไหมมีหมวกนักมายากลนะมันเอามือล้วงเข้าไปใช่ปะในมิติของไอ้หมวกมายากลนั่นแหละแบบมีตัวเชี่ยอะไรลอยไปลอยมาอะไรเงี้ย
ลองแบบให้แบบคีบเป็นชิ้นส่วนมอนเตอร์ไหมแบบหูกระต่ายอะไรอย่างเงี้ย
แล้วก็ในนั้นก็ต้องแบบมีมังคุดด้วย
โปร
เกิดเป็นแบบอะไรนะนักเวทมนต์มีผู้ชมใช่เปล่าทำบางอย่างให้ผู้ชมชอบคือถ้าเกิดไม่ใช่สู้กันอะไรอย่างนี้ก็อาจจะแบบเปลี่ยนแนวเกมก็ได้
คำถามก็คือกระต่ายมันจะขยับไปทางไหน
หรือมันพุดขึ้นมาจากข้างล่างแล้วก็กลับลงไป
อ๋อก็อาจจะได้นะก็ง่ายๆก็กระต่ายโดนกราวิตี้ถ้าเกิดกระต่ายโดนกราวิตี้หลุดจอก็คือแบบตัวนั้นแบบหายไปแล้วก็สปอนตัวใหม่นั่นแหละคือเราคิดว่ามันจะมีแบบเนี่ยเหมือนเป็นแถบแบบ attention มันก็คือ HP แหละ HP ที่ลดตลอดเวลา
มันก็เอาเป็นไลฟ์สดแต่ก็มีคนดูด้วยก็ได้แบบอย่างนี้ใช่ป่ะ
ถ้าเลขคนดู0ก็คือแพ้นั่นแหละก็ contemporary ดีเฮ้ยถ้าสมมติว่างจริงๆทำแชทด้วยก็ได้
เดี๋ยวเอาวันไหนอะเนี่ยไอที่
คือเอาจริงอะแบบที่ทุกคนแปะมาใช่ไหมมันมีแบบเดียวที่แบบแม่งตรงกันเป๊ะเลยเว้ยก็เอาอันนั้นไปเลยก็ได้นะ
นี่เหรอเนี่ยซึ่งแบบมันก็ค่อนข้างรีเลทกับแบบคนแบบที่แบบต้องแบบมาแสดงครั้งแรกไม่พอต้องแบบ
บอจิเลย
มาแบบแสดงหน้าก็คล้ายบกจิอันนี้ก็เหมือนที่เคยพูดไปไอ้ผู้ชาย work from home
อาจจะอย่างนี้ไงเปิดมาไม่ค่อยมีคนดูก็ work from home พอคนดูเพิ่มขึ้นก็กลายเป็น upper
เดี๋ยวทำไมหัวตัวละครนิงฟ้ากลายเป็นมังคุดไปแล้ว
ใช่
เอาเฮ้ย
แกะเชื่อมโยง
What the fuck
After the game was decided, we started working. Knight drew the concept art of the game. Wan got working on the UI. Me and Ingfa draw the ideas for Manku's animation. Knight was watching over and helped decide what the final animation would be. After all that, that's the end of day 1. Day 2! I spent the whole day drawing the animation and getting help from Night with correction through Discord. This was basically our schedule. Yeah. I'll show the work progress I see in Discord to you all here while I talk about how great everyone in the team is. So most of us are around the same age as we graduated from university recently. We're about like 22 to 24 years old. The university we attended is mainly on art courses, so we basically study specifically in these fields. Night and Soiwa is from the same university and they both made a game for their thesis. Blue Brain and Portro was friends from the university. Tanatip and Portro was friends from high school. And Portro meet with Soiwa, Night, and Kwan at Game Jam after party meet place. While Kame seems like Portro's senpai, so you know, this is the relationship chart, you know. Yeah, like Ingfa even has a webtoon she made and worked with Portia on the other Game Jam before. One is just amazing. I took a look at her YouTube and look at that. That's a suds dude. Also, she made other amazing looking games and animation prior to this. Soiwa and Night doesn't post much online, but they've been drawing a lot and working on another Game Jam before too. I got to know some ridiculously skilled people all because of Soiwa alone coming to me one day and be like, you draw on an iPad? You can do that? I was drawing in class one day and I replied to her, more information, you know, go watch her YouTube video. And with that, we go to the next day, day 3. I don't really have much to do this day because I finished the animation for Idol, grab wrong and right all on the second day already. Plus on the third day, I just did a panic Manku animation. Then what was left was the website page. So, to summarize, Night did the banner image, I edited this quick animation for the icon, Blue had the idea of making an icon look like an actual video, Kwan took the idea and make this icon, I took that icon and put the animation into it, Blue suggests this YouTube look instead, I added a Manku cursor, they say the cursor looks so cursed, so Portro suggests to change it into a wand, Kwan showed an even more cursed cursor, Night suggested another icon for Manku channel and not having border around the thumbnail, Portro asked the word magician to be bigger, I then make change into the video and now we got the final icon result. Yeah. With that, it's time for the programmer, Kame and Portro to do their things while we are to sleep. Kame do the coding, Portro do things around and make things feel good and polish. Looking at the chat log, he shared the link to the game being done at 6:46 in the morning. That means he didn't sleep the whole night. Day 4. The jam has been submitted. Now we're just looking through the comments and reaction from other people. Everyone shared the game on their social media feed. Portro working hard going to all the live streamer who is streaming Ludum game and asked them to play the game and get feedback. So we got some clips on people reacting to the game now. Also, we competed our high score. I say, why not just Photoshop this? And with that, we go to day 5. So, looking through the reaction that Portia shared to us, I realized that you can stream the Ludum game on Twitch and it will be shown on the website on the right there. And I was like, you know what? Why not? I'm gonna do that too. So, I start live streaming the game too for like 6 hours, and because of that, I managed to reach the average viewers needed to be affiliated. Make a game so that you can become a live streamer even though you can't become in real life. Turn out it actually helped you become streamer in real life. Day 6, we found out a Japanese website found out about our game and shared it on Twitter. With that, a lot of positive response and some questionable tweets, but you know, that's different. Portia told us we went on a new and popular first page on HE. Thus, I say this has been a big success. I think this video compiled how much fun I had in the jam. It went really well with no problem and super high quality. Plus, I got new friends. Thanks for watching the video. Also, super thanks to the EarthQuack team for letting me join in for this game. Check out their game and everyone else's using the link in the description. See you next time.